So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and blur out some parts of the image. In that case, you can go ahead and utilize something called the blur brush tool. So let's say I want to keep the three like ping pong balls that I have right here in focus, while I want to blur out the top and bottom ping pong balls right here. So to do that, I can go to the pixel tab, and then I can go around over here onto the left hand side. And then what you can do is you can go around over here, click and hold the brush, and then you can see the blur brush tool right here. Simply go ahead and click, and once you do that, you can change around the pixel size right here, and then click and drag, and then what happens is that the balls blur out, as you can see right here. You can change around the flow level of the blur right here, just like this, and change around the parameter as you like, and then choose the brush setting as you want as well, and even use the stabilizer like any other brush. So I can simply click and drag, and you can see that this is how you can go ahead and blur out. You can go ahead and do this as well, and do this as well. But this is not applied as a mask, but directly on the image. So this is a destructive editing right here. And if you want to undo, you can simply go ahead and press Ctrl Z. But this is not in a masking way. So this is basically what you have right here, as you can see. And this is how you can go ahead and then draw out the blur using the blur brush tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.